Before we move ahead, let us try to understand the Union Parliament. Next is the disciplinary functions of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. We have seen so many times these members of the parliament, they behave violently in the house. The entire scene look like a scene from a fish market. Speaker of the Lok Sabha is given a responsibility to maintain discipline in the house. If a member of Lok Sabha become unruly or violent, he may ask him or her to withdraw. In case of grave disorder in house, speaker can adjourn the house for few hours or for the entire day. You must know that whatever is said in the parliament, that is recorded in a minute book, a specially designed book which records the proceeding of the parliament. If a member uses foul language or unparliamentary or undecent word, speaker can ask to exclude that word, to remove that word from being recorded in a minute book. Many a time we see that member of parliament switch the party to which he belong. Let us say that वो पार्टी ए छोड़कर पार्टी बी को ज्वाइन कर लेता है. अंडर सच कंडीशन स्पीकर हैज अ पावर to disqualify his membership under the anti-defection law. So this anti-defection law has become very important nowadays. You must know that attached to Lok Sabha there are many parliamentary committees. Some of these committees are General Purposes Committee, Business Advisory Committee and the Rules Committee. Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the ex officio chairman of some of these committees. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जो पर्सन स्पीकर ऑफ लोक सभा बनेगा वो लोक सभा से जो अटैच कमिटीज है उनमें से कुछ कमिटीज का अपने आप चेयरमैन बनेगा. It means that a person who is appointed as a speaker of Lok Sabha, he will become a chairman of some of the committees which are attached to the Lok Sabha. तो स्पीकर लोक सभा से अटैच जो काफ़ी सारी कमिटियां हैं उसमें से कुछ कमिटी का चेयरमैन बनेगा. बाकी जो कमिटियां हैं जिनका चेयरमैन स्पीकर नहीं है उन कमिटियों के चेयरमैन को स्पीकर ही अपॉइंट करेगा. एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन मीन्स if you are appointed as a chairman to one seat, you by default become a chairman of the other seat. So speaker is chairman to some of the committees which are attached to the Lok Sabhas, and the other committees to which speaker is not a chairman, he will appoint the chairman to those committees. Not only that कि he appoints the chairman to the committees, he also guides them, direct them. He also makes sure that appointed chairman follow the procedures as per the Constitution of India. Finally, miscellaneous functions of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. In some matter, a joint session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is conducted. In this joint session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Speaker will be the presiding officer. Parliamentary delegations are regularly sent to the various countries. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, in consultation with the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, nominates the personnel for this parliamentary delegation to the various countries. In case of conference of presiding officers of the legislative bodies of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha will preside over such conference. That's all what you have to study about the Lok Sabha. These are all the points which are included in your syllabus. I hope you have understood all the points properly and you also have enjoyed learning from me. Please make sure that followed by this video lecture, go through the notes, each and every point properly. Also, don't forget to solve the worksheet related to this topic.